In the heart of the African savanna, a majestic and resilient species roams, the rhinoceros. Join us on an extraordinary journey as we delve into the lives of these magnificent creatures and the challenges they face in their struggle for survival. Through breathtaking footage captured in their natural habitat, we witness the daily routines of rhinos as they graze peacefully, care for their young, and navigate the vast plains. We explore the intricate social structures within rhino herds and the bonds that form between family members. But lurking beneath the beauty of their world lies a dark reality. Poaching, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict threaten the existence of rhinos like never before. Meet the dedicated conservationists and rangers who work tirelessly to protect these iconic animals from harm and ensure a future for generations to come. Discover the stories of individual rhinos, each with their own unique personality and struggles. From orphan calves finding solace in sanctuary to mature adults bravely defending their territory, their resilience and spirit inspire awe and admiration. Through this immersive documentary, we gain insight into the complexities of rhino conservation and the urgent need for global action to safeguard their future. Join us as we celebrate the beauty and strength of these incredible creatures and learn how we can all play a part in preserving their legacy. In addition to their remarkable strength and resilience, rhinoceroses are known for their deep social bonds and nurturing instincts within their herds. These gentle giants often prefer to roam in groups, forming tight-knit communities that provide protection and companionship. Within the safety of the herd, rhinos exhibit remarkable care and tenderness towards their offspring. Mothers are particularly devoted to their young, often spending several years nurturing and teaching them essential life skills. From the moment of birth, calves are showered with affection and guidance, with mothers fiercely protective of their vulnerable offspring. Through heartwarming scenes captured in our documentary, viewers will witness the touching interactions between mother and calf, as well as the support and guidance provided by the entire herd. From teaching calves how to forage for food to instilling important social behaviors, the bond between parent and offspring is truly extraordinary. As we delve deeper into the lives of rhinos, viewers will gain a newfound appreciation for these gentle giants and the intricate family dynamics that shape their existence. Despite facing numerous threats in the wild, the unwavering love and dedication displayed by rhinos towards their young serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of protecting these remarkable creatures and their habitats for generations to come. Rhinoceroses play a vital role in their ecosystems and often interact with a variety of other animals and birds in their habitats. Despite their formidable appearance, rhinos are generally peaceful creatures and are known to coexist harmoniously with a diverse range of wildlife. One notable interaction is between rhinos and birds, particularly oxpeckers. These small birds often perch on the backs of rhinos, feeding on ticks and other parasites that inhabit their skin. This symbiotic relationship benefits both parties, as the birds gain easy access to food while the rhinos enjoy relief from pesky insects. Additionally, rhinos may also interact with other herbivores such as zebras, antelopes, and giraffes while grazing in the savanna. These animals may form loose associations, known as mixed species herds, where they graze together and provide mutual protection by keeping a watchful eye out for predators. While rhinos generally prefer to avoid confrontation, they are capable of defending themselves if threatened. In some cases, they may clash with other large herbivores, such as elephants or buffalo, over resources like water or grazing areas. However, such encounters are relatively rare and typically occur only when resources are scarce. Overall, the interactions between rhinos and other animals and birds in their environment contribute to the intricate web of life in their habitats. By studying these interactions, scientists gain valuable insights into the complex dynamics of ecosystems and the importance of preserving biodiversity for the health and stability of our planet. Water plays a critical role in the lives of rhinoceroses and their interactions with other animals and birds. Like all living creatures, rhinos depend on water for hydration, especially in hot and arid environments like the African savanna. Rhinoceroses are known to frequent watering holes, rivers, and other sources of fresh water to quench their thirst and cool off during the heat of the day. These watering holes often serve as gathering points for a variety of wildlife, creating opportunities for social interaction and even mutual benefit. At watering holes, rhinos may encounter a diverse array of animals and birds, including elephants, buffalo, zebras, and various species of birds. These gatherings provide opportunities for socialization, as well as important interactions that contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. In addition to providing hydration, watering holes are essential for maintaining biodiversity and supporting the interconnected web of life in the savanna. They serve as vital resources not only for rhinos, but also for countless other species, making them focal points for conservation efforts aimed at preserving wildlife habitats. By protecting and conserving these critical water sources, we can ensure the survival of rhinoceroses and other wildlife that depend on them. Water conservation efforts play a crucial role in safeguarding ecosystems and promoting the well-being of both animals and humans alike. In conclusion, rhinoceroses are not only iconic symbols of the African savanna, but also keystone species that play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. As grazers, they shape the landscape and promote plant diversity, while their interactions with other animals and birds contribute to the intricate web of life in their habitats. Despite facing numerous threats, including poaching and habitat loss, the importance of conserving rhinoceros populations cannot be overstated. By protecting these magnificent creatures, we safeguard the biodiversity of entire ecosystems and ensure the well-being of countless other species that depend on them. Moreover, rhinos hold immense cultural and economic significance, attracting ecotourism revenue that supports local communities and conservation efforts. Through education, advocacy, and effective conservation strategies, we can work together to protect rhinoceroses and their habitats for future generations to admire and cherish. Their survival is not just essential for their own sake, but for the health of our planet as a whole.